welcome to another video. In this video we will be finishing up what we did last video and starting to bale hay. We're gonna hop on our farm all and bring this hay rack over to that baler because the other hay rack is full. Okay, just dropped off this hay rack. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up. Okay, we're gonna go unload these bales into the feed silo at the harvest store. Okay, empty. Let's back this tractor up and get baling. Okay, we are baling. Looks like our hay rack is going to get full quite quickly. Yeah, we didn't chop all the alfalfa just because it missed a few spots. But we're going to try and get as many bales as possible as quick ASAP because these cows might go hungry. I don't want these cows to go hungry. And apparently there's some rain in the forecast and that's bad for hay, so we gotta finish this up really fast. Dang, this hay is being baled up fast. This hay rack's gonna be filled in no time. Look at that, there's a co-op over there. Okay, looks like our hay rack is 3/4 full. Well, we're gonna finish. This field shouldn't take too long. It took a long time to mow and rake, but just baling, yeah, it shouldn't take too long. We can go 10 miles per hour in this, which is quite fast for baling hay. Sorry if you hear background noise. That's just my family, because I love them. And, you know, my sis might come back here. So if you hear her, just don't worry about her. She's so cute. Stay quiet. Okay guys, that's our hay rack full. Sorry for ending this video short. I will continue it soon. Just have a nice day, folks. Bye. As always, I love you guys. Just